How to make your husband feel loved. Men too want to feel appreciated, needed, wanted, and loved. Good lady, I want to give you some 6 tips to make your husband feel wanted, needed, appreciated, and more importantly, loved. Number 1 on the list, take care of yourself. Yes, you heard me right. If you want your husband to feel loved, take care of yourself. Take care of your diet and exercise. Look sexy. Men are visual. When you take care of yourself, he feels loved and respected. Look your best. Dress hard to kill him. In your twilights, be jovial, smile, be happy, be hopeful, be optimistic. Have faith in what you guys are doing together. Have faith in your man, have faith in God, have faith in the future. Live in the present and have energy, positive energy. Number 2, you want your husband to feel loved. Number 2, initiate love making. Every so often, initiate love making. This way he feels you want him as much as he wants you. You need him as much as he needs you. You don't have to do it every day, but every so often, time and again, initiate making love. And I'm not just talking about sex, but I'm also saying kissing. Initiate kisses. Kiss him often. Kiss him when he's going. Kiss him when he comes back. Keep kissing. Some women are so dull. So down, they will never initiate a kiss. Hug your husband a gazillion times. Rub his back. Be more playful. Be more romantic. Bring out the kid out of you. You want to make your husband feel loved? Number 3, celebrate your man. Celebrate him. Celebrate his birthday. Celebrate Father's Day if he is a father. Have a day out. Plan for a day out just for the 2 of you. Buy him some gifts, surprise him with a belt, with a watch, with a gadget he likes. Fix for him some of his favorite meals every so often. And even if you have a maid, every so often, do it yourself. Just fixing the favorite meal of your husband, presenting it to him, sitting on his lap, and eating from the same plate. You feed him, you feed yourself. Oh, goodness. The guy feels heaven on earth. You want to make your man feel loved? Number 4. Compliment your man. Compliment him often. Start with his physical. Men hardly are complimented physically. We keep telling girls you're looking nice, you're looking beautiful, but nobody tells us. Please tell your man you're handsome, you're looking good, my thing. Compliment him habitually, often before others. Write to him love notes, love letters, love texts. Learn to compliment your man. Compliment his effort, his work, his looks, his dressing, his things. Number 5. Be loyal to your man. Be loyal to your man. Be loyal sexually. Be faithful to your man. When you are faithful to your man, he feels loved, honored, and respected. Extramarital affairs make a man feel unwanted, unneeded, unloved, unrespected. So when you're faithful to your man, he feels loved. Never talk ill, never talk bad about your man, no matter with who. Unless your marriage has become abusive and then you're going for counseling and you need to talk with the right person for counseling. But if you do the things I'm asking you to do, you will never need to see a marriage counselor. So never talk bad about your husband. Respect his parents, respect his siblings, respect his family. Be loyal to him in every way. Number 6 and the last one, show interest in the things he loves. If he loves his work, show interest in that. Even his me time, show interest in his hobbies. Watch that game once in a while with him and be present in the moment. Soak into that game. Let him see you're interested with his interests. Laugh at his jokes no matter how dry they may sound to you. You know, when you laugh at somebody's jokes, they feel needed. If you're not moved by someone who's trying to impress you and to tickle you and to create some humor, even if his humor is dry, just laugh for his sake. not just for your sake. And it will come back to you when you laugh, when you pass on those positive vibes, they will come back to you. Hey lady, if this video helped you in any way, please give me a comment. Let me know which area you need to work on. And please share this video with other ladies, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified when I upload new videos. I upload new videos every week. You don't want to miss out on my latest videos. Please hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much. All the best with your man.